guys, welcome back. Thanks for clicking the channel. This is Moto IB. So I decided to make another vlog. Let's see how this works again. Just got out for work, heading home. Actually, I'm heading off to see my buddy. He got out for work too. So, but yeah, I just want to do a vlog, a quick one, just to let you guys know. I just finished up a upload of one of my videos. I'll say it's a little bit a better process that I did on this one that I just finished. It's going on live tomorrow. But yeah, guys, let me know if you want to know about any bike information or anything like that. Like pretty much anything. So, but yeah, I was gonna say, me and my buddy are deciding to go to another trip, so that's why I want to do a quick vlog to let you guys know that I'll be getting some content for you. We're trying to decide where to go, so we're thinking about going to North Carolina or South Carolina, one of those two, for some good sights, good roads. At the same time, it'll be a good vacation. Last time I took a vacation was pretty much last year on June, when I went to go to Yellowstone and Mount Rushmore. But yeah, so we're trying to decide where to go. We're thinking about 4 locations. I already said 2, the North Carolina, South Carolina. The other 2, I completely forgot the names of them. But yeah, we're trying to decide where to go. Oops. It's a bit hot right now. Not hot. Foggy. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But trying to see where we're gonna decide to go and go from there. Oh, hold on. Alright. So, but yeah. So I'm letting you guys know what's gonna happen in a coming month. Because we were planning of going towards the end of probably August or maybe September. I know that's really kind of close towards winter, but I'm not afraid of the cold. We have done it already. It's not bad. At least we're prepared. But yeah, at the same time, I want to do another quick vlog. So I want to see the settings on night with this. Sorry, you could bleep that out. Yeah, I'm trying to do the settings of this camera again, and with the mic. Again, I'm testing out with the music playing on my headset and see if it comes through the recording or the mic, but hopefully it doesn't. At the same time, I have the volume lower than I did last time, so we'll see. Overall, hopefully this vacation we're gonna plan, it should be good. I should get at least a few clips on the vacation, the roads, I think one of them, is in North Carolina or South, I forgot. But I know my friend's been there. It's Total the Dragon. It sounds good. Sounds pretty good to have fun and to learn my bike on the road. So I want to see if I could be more confident. So I don't need the bike over. At the same time, it should have been a lot better if I went to a track. But I don't want to spend, what is it, $200, $300 for a day or session or whatever they charge for. Yeah, I'd rather have a good road, knowing my surroundings, and just have fun. But yeah, tonight it's a good night. Not too hot, not too cold. It's nice weather to ride. So, like I said, my friend just got off from work, so I'm heading out to go see him. I'll probably cut off the video before I get there. I would doubt my friend would be glad to be showing where he lives on YouTube. But yeah, overall it should be good. Hopefully this video should be okay. Oh, and I've decided on a action camera. It looks like I'm gonna get probably the GoPro Hero 5. What I've decided, because the 5, it should have a lot of good features, stabilization, like the Session 2. But what I like about both between the Hero 5 Session or the Hero 5 Black, I could do more with the Hero 5 Black with my gimbal. The small Session wouldn't be able to fit on there. I have to get an adapter. Even so with the Hero 5 Black, but I should be able to work with it and do more stuff with it with the extra screen on it. So I decided to get the Hero 5 Black and go from there. Well, with that, the video should come out perfect. The audio not to worry about, and it should be good. Well, yeah, guys, this is the exit I'm getting off of. Really bumpy. Well, yeah, guys, that's the short trip. Just letting you guys know what's my plans, and going from there. Well, yeah, guys, this is Moto IB. Thanks for clicking. Let me know in the comments what do you guys want to see. Subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike. But yeah, let me know why you liked it or disliked it. But okay, guys, I'll see you later. Peace out.